Hello guys, how are you? Today we will see the Fubo stock. We will make a chart analysis. I must inform you, but I have a long position at Fubo stock. Let's start. As we can see here on our chart, we found support. Here it is a 52 weeks low at $2.55. We have two strong days, upward days. Now the next aim for Fubo stock is to fill the gap. This is the point to fill the gap. For me, my first aim for a stock price move is to fill the gap. Here is the resistance number 1 in $4.10. Also here in these territories, move the 21 moving days average. Probably we will find the first resistance here for the short-term trading, or today or tomorrow but surely this week. The next resistance number 2 is here, $4.58. Resistance number 3 is here at $5.50. Resistance number 4 is here, $6.12. Also on these territories are the 50 days moving average. Also we have here a downtrend line. We will see what happens today or tomorrow at these levels. If we close above this that line, or to shape a candle and we close again at these price levels. Also another trade you can do is to trade with RSI to sell your position when RSI find resistance here in 46 points or 1 day chart, because the previous trading days on February, March and April, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in a row, we found the support here, and the downtrend move was continued. Let's see what happened here. For me, I will sell when the stock price fill the gap. Until then, goodbye. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe on my channel. Goodbye.